Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Nissan Pathfinder's AC system. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including an AC recharge kit and safety glasses. Next, locate the low-pressure service port, usually on the passenger side. Then, start your vehicle and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. Now, let's connect the recharge kit. Take the Quick Connect fitting and firmly attach it to the low-pressure service port. You'll hear a click when it's properly seated. Before connecting the can, shake the refrigerant can well for about 1 minute. Then, screw the hose onto the top of the refrigerant can until it is tight and secure. With everything connected, it's time to add the refrigerant. Hold the can upright and press the trigger to release the refrigerant into the system. Gently rock the can every few seconds to help the refrigerant flow smoothly. Keep a close eye on the pressure gauge. It will show you when the system reaches the optimal charge level, typically between 25 and 45 psi. Once the pressure gauge indicates a full charge, release the trigger and carefully disconnect the hose from the low-pressure port. It's a good idea to check for any leaks around the port using a leak detection kit. Finally, remember to dispose of the empty refrigerant can responsibly according to local regulations. Enjoy your newly cooled Nissan Pathfinder.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.